The Internet is among the most powerful and influential inventions ever created. But, where did it come from? Who were the people who first imagined it, and what are the inventive technologies that enable the Internet to exist? The evolution of the Internet continues, as new innovations propel this global network of networks into seemingly impossible realities. Please join the Smithsonian's National Museum of American History, the Internet Society, Internet Pioneers, and Digital Natives for a lively conversation about the continuum of the Internet. From how it was imagined to where the Internet is taking us in the future. Vint Cerf, Internet Hall of Fame pioneer and chief Internet evangelist, Google. Vint Cerf, widely known as one of the fathers of the Internet, is the CEO designer of the TCP or IP protocols and the architecture of the Internet. Mitchell Baker, Internet Hall of Fame innovator and executive chairwoman, Mozilla Foundation. David Farber. David Farber played a key role in many systems that converged into today's Internet. Sebastian Thrun, founder and CEO, Udacity. Sebastian Thrun is a scientist, educator, researcher, inventor, and entrepreneur. Eric Hintz, historian, Smithsonian Institution. Eric Hintz is a historian and fellowship coordinator for the Smithsonian's National Museum of American History's Lemelson Center for the Study of Invention and Innovation. The Internet, sometimes called simply the Net, is a worldwide system of computer networks, a network of networks, in which users at any one computer can, if they have permission, get information from any other computer, and sometimes talk directly to users at other computers. It was conceived by the Advanced Research Projects Agency, ARPA, of the U.S. government in 1969 and was first known as the ARPANET. Today, the Internet is a public, cooperative and self-sustaining facility, accessible to hundreds of millions of people worldwide. Technically, what distinguishes the Internet is its use of a set of protocols called TCP or IP, for Transmission Control Protocol, or Internet Protocol. Two recent adaptations of Internet technology, the intranet and the extranet, also make use of the TCP or IP protocol. The Internet has continued to grow and evolve over the years of its existence. IPv6, for example, was designed to anticipate enormous future expansion in the number of available IP addresses. In a related development, the Internet of Things, IoT, is the burgeoning environment, in which almost any entity or object can be provided with a unique identifier, and the ability to transfer data automatically over the Internet. Here the data was converted into telephone signals by using modem, modulator, and demodulator. The modem was developed by AT&T in the 1950s. And in the 1960s the key advances were made, including packet switching. About packet switching? Packet switching is a digital networking communications method that groups all transmitted data into suitably sized blocks, called packets, which are transmitted via a medium that may be shared by multiple simultaneous communication sessions. What is network switch? A network switch is a computer networking device that connects devices together on a computer network by using packet switching to receive, process and forward data to the destination device. Network packet structure? Most network packets are split into three parts: header, the header contains instructions about the data carried by the packet. These instructions may include: first, length of packet. Some networks have fixed length packets, while others rely on the header to contain this information. Second, synchronization, a few bits that help the packet match up to the network. Third, packet number, which packet this is in a sequence of packets. Fourth, protocol. On networks that carry multiple types of information, the protocol defines what type of packet is being transmitted: email, web page, streaming video. Fifth, destination address, where the packet is going. Sixth, originating address, where the packet came from. About payload, also called the body or data of a packet. This is the actual data that the packet is delivering to the destination. If a packet is fixed length, then the payload may be padded with blank information, to make it the right size. About trailer, the trailer, sometimes called the footer, typically contains a couple of bits that tell the receiving device that it has reached the end of the packet. It may also have some type of error checking. The most common error checking used in packets is cyclic redundancy check, CRC. CRC is pretty neat. Here is how it works in certain computer networks. The World Wide Web, WWW, is an open-source information space where documents and other web resources are identified by URLs, interlinked by hypertext links, and can be accessed via the Internet. The World Wide Web was invented by English scientist Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. Subscribe our channel to get more videos.